Hey guys, so for this video, we're gonna look at how you can make a crossword puzzle pretty quickly in your class. I use this a lot for my Spanish class, but obviously you can do this in any class. The website I like to use is puzzlemaker.com. You don't need to type in that whole thing you just saw. So puzzlemaker.com, and it'll take you to this website. And then I'm gonna click on crisscross right here. And then I'm gonna give my crossword puzzle a title. You're welcome, by the way, to take the crossword puzzle and use it if you want to. We'll do one for things in the classroom, maybe, in la clase. You can fool around with this stuff if you want to change the size of things, but usually the default works out well for me. So what you're going to do is first put the answer, like the word you want them to write in the crossword puzzle. That's what's going to be first. So let's say they're learning the word screen, the pantalla screen. Then I'll put my clue next. Televisor for we'll go TV. All right, so I've got several words now. Let's go ahead and create the puzzle. So we've got, how many words? I got 10 words in there. Usually mine are a little bigger than that. But I'm, just so you guys know, I'm doing this on a Chromebook, and I'm going to show you how you do it on the Chromebook. So go ahead and have your Google Drive, create a new document. I already did that. So here's my blank document. I called it Making a Crossword. So what you're going to do is you can either type this in there if you want to, or copy and paste the title. Doesn't really matter. I'll just type it in La Clase. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do is come back over to the crossword puzzle it generated. Right click it, copy image, go back to go here, paste it. There's your crossword puzzle. You can make it bigger if you want to. I'm just going to leave it. It's fine. And then we're going to go back to the crossword puzzle again. Here are my clues. So I've got two ways that I could do this. One, I could just copy and paste the text as it is. You could also do is take a screenshot of that little area, which I like to do that a lot. So you do Control Shift on the, again, this is on the Chromebook, and then you push the button that's in the top row that looks like a box with two lines next to it. And you draw a little box around it. Click copy over here. Go back to your Google Doc, paste. And if you want to, also a lot of times I like to add pictures in there. You can do that by going to insert image, search the web, search for some pictures, and you can add the pictures in. Anyway, I'm done. I've got my crossword puzzle about things in the classroom. Print it off, and you're good to go. Again, if you guys want this, the link to it is in the description of the video. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.